Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to art Atika Sultana name, and this is a requested video from our subscriber, so don't skip this video and subscribe this channel for more videos, and comment below what art I will do in the next video. Today I will art Atika Sultana name step by step. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe 5-Minute Arts YouTube channel and Facebook page. And don't forget to join our official Facebook group. If you want to get support from us, you have to join in this group. Our Facebook group name is 5-Minute Arts Official Group, or check link in the description. Thank you.